James from Old Mill Creek, Illinois, has a question about a gutter.
Well, he wonders if the problem is being caused by his furnace in the attic.
Oh.
Now, James, what you don't know is that's where we keep our furnaces in Texas.
It is our basement.
So anyway, he says, I have one register in each bedroom. Just one is on an external wall with a gutter above it. I get ice dams in my gutters, but this one with the vent on the external wall below the gutter always ends up with water coming into the house. He's getting some intrusion issues there. So Tom, James wonders if he should just move that register or get more insulation.
Maybe both. What happens is you're heating up that wall, and that wall at nighttime, it freezes, and the heat is underneath there, and it's making the water. It's an ice dam like you probably used to get in New Hampshire, and it would back up on the eaves. And so it has nowhere to go because the top is frozen, but the bottom is starting to melt because of the heat from that register. So if you can't insulate and keep that temperature difference up, then you might want to move that grill and keep it off of that outside wall, because that's all that's happening. And it can cause a lot of damage over the years if you get a lot of cold weather. So you got to be really careful with ice dams and how they build up like that. That's why attics need to be the same temperature as it is outside. If it's 0 degrees outside, it's 0 degrees in your attic. Your insulation has to separate you from that area, because if you have a warm attic, that happens on your roof. It'll thaw and freeze and just tear the roofing material up.
Wow.
Yes.
It's a problem we don't have in Texas.
That's true.
All right. Well, thank you for your letter, though.
Yes.
All right. And no matter where you are, and no matter whether it's an ice dam or a problem with your beach house, you will answer it. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form, and we'll answer it like these videos over here. And if you subscribe, we appreciate it. You click the bell.
Ding!
We'll ring yours.